you, baby. Oh, it's so pretty. You got a lot for me?
You told her you handpicked them? Huh? You told her you handpicked them?
Yeah. Happy Mother's Day to me. It ain't been very happy so far. Starting from yesterday, it's waking me up before 7 a.m. in the morning, talking about she slept good. Well, I did. And it followed into the next day. We all ended up falling asleep out on the couch. So my back hurting. Asa was snoring all night like she worked a construction job or something. I'm gonna have to insert the clips for y'all, because that girl, I don't know what was going on with her. I ain't never heard her snore like that before, but I mean, she used to be sleeping in her room. But that girl was snoring like a grown man, like a bear or something. Oof. So yeah, I have not gotten any good sleep this whole weekend. Y'all know the phone blowing up with the group text and stuff. I just hope it turns around. I know Artie gonna turn it around for me. He always do. Him and Asa out right now at the grocery store getting some pancake mix so he can make breakfast. So that'll be good. And yeah, just see what else is in store for the rest of the day. We're gonna go to lunch later on at Bahama Breeze. I'm gonna get the jerk pasta. That's my favorite food anywhere I go, some Alfredo pasta. So that'll be later on. Gonna find me a good old drink. And yeah, I had planned for me and Asa to wear another matching outfit, but this weather don't even want to act right, so that won't be happening. I was gonna try to coordinate with me, my mom, my sister, so we could all be wearing yellow today, but the weather don't want to act right. Mother Nature, of all days, Mother Nature wanted to be tripping on Mother's Day. It's only gonna be in the 50s. That's freaking cold. Like, I'm under the covers right now. Like, I'm about to go crank the heat on in May. Thank you, y'all.
I gotta go get the other stuff, boo. Go get the other stuff.
Okay, yeah, I got some candy doors.
Thank you, booty.
I got some candy doors.
You got some candy?
Uh-huh.
It's not your day.
Huh?
It's not your day.
It's my candy door.
Okay, baby. Flowers in bed. Now I need the breakfast in bed.
I don't know what I did with the other presents, boo.
And we got you cupcakes. We got you some cupcakes.
You got me some cupcakes?
No, that's a gift just for you.
He did?
Yes.
Oh. Oh, he didn't. This is my second bouquet of flowers.
I done lost the other presents. I hid them for later.
Huh?
He lost my presents, hiding them for the week.
No, my girl got her with it, boy. It's okay.
It's okay, baby. It's okay, baby.
It's okay, baby.
Okay. So,
You go.
what you say, boo?
Thank you.
Thank you.
No, you say Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you,
And I write my name.
You wrote your name?
Yeah.
Where? Ooh.
Yeah. Yeah, and I got you the cupcake.
Oh.
Yeah, I want to share with you.
You want to share with me,
You
Pootie?
got mommy her car right there. And I got something else. Got something else. Where's your phone?
Right here.
Yeah,
What's your
I
phone?
want to close your eyes. Close your eyes.
What I need my phone for?
I gotta show you something.
I can just tell you something.
But what I need my phone for?
So I can show you. I got to send it to you. Give me 1 second.
1 second.
Boo Boo, you messing up the strawberries.
Boo, put it down.
Put it down. You making them fall out.
Okay, sorry. Mommy, sorry, I just saw it.
It's okay, baby.
Mom, I just saw it.
It's okay.
I just saw it. I just saw it.
Alright, and now open up the rest of your presents too.
I just like it.
Hold on, Pootie.
Mom, I just don't like it.
Oh, we going to see Tiana Taylor.
You don't necessarily have to go with me. You can take a friend if you want. You can use that as a mom getaway.
Okay.
Even though you ain't got no mom friends.
Y'all hear him trying to play
I
me.
did the
Alright, let me hold this so you can open the rest of it.
Let me see the other one. I did the surprise.
Hey, some Monday.
That's for your clothes since I didn't get them.
Yeah, it's a Monday. I'll put the vendor out for you guys.
Oh, thank you, Pootie Pootie.
What?
What did I say?
What? We love every piece of you.
Oh.
Now open up the Pandora thing.
Boo Boo, give me this. Boo Boo. $5?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Pootie.
Here you go.
But she really actually picked out them slippers. She said, Mama, I need new slippers.
Sure do, Pootie.
No, open up Pandora.
Oh.
It goes with the card.
Mommy, close your eyes.
I gotta open them so I can see.
1, 2, 3. What is it, Mommy?
Oh.
How is it?
Yes, that
How
is
is
perfect
it,
for me.
baby?
I was just sitting there thinking like, you know, that would be perfect for her.
What is it?
Let me see the other side.
What is it?
Pizza lover.
Pizza lover. Pizza lover. Pizza lover. That's the way
How do I
it is.
get it out?
Let me get it in a minute.
It's here. Here you got your candy.
Hold on, Boo.
1, 2, 3.
Boo Boo.
I got you.
You the other slice to my pizza?
Huh?
You the other slice to my pizza? Yeah.
Did it come with the other slice? Or is it just a missing slice?
Yeah, it's right there.
Oh.
The
And I
other
got
slice?
you.
Hmm. No, but what are you throwing at me?
I got you.
You got me?
Yeah, yeah. Here.
Thank you, baby.
Boo Boo, you got me some new slippers.
Yeah.
Thank you, Pootie.
Yeah, we buy it for the store.
Thank you, Pootie Pootie.
Yeah, do you like this?
I do.
I come on and close your eyes.
Okay.
1, 2.
But don't drop it.
Huh?
Oh, you gotta read your card from Boo Boo.
Huh?
This
That's no, the other card's from her.